Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making another hair clip using satin ribbon. For this I have cut out a satin ribbon of length 30 cm. Then I am going to use a lighter to burn the edges so that the threads do not come out. Now I have taken the needle and thread and then I am folding the satin ribbon into half. Stitch along one side. I am stitching long stitches here along the length of the ribbon. This is a very simple way of making a hair clip. It just took me 5 minutes to make this. Now pull the threads from both the sides as shown. Cut off the extra thread. Tie the two ends tightly. Cut off the extra thread. You can see how beautiful this looks. Now use a strong glue. I am using Fevibond here and then I am going to stick a sequin on top. And that's it. The flower is now ready. We can now glue this to a tic tac clip. You can also check out my earlier video where I made another clip using a different method. You can try out whichever you like. And these are the two clips that I made using different colored ribbons. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.